everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your LeadStal Gmail account quickly and easily, even here on this beautiful beach. First, log into your LeadStal dashboard. You can start with a free account to test your first email campaign. Head over to the Senders tab on the left menu, select Connect Email Account, then choose Gmail or Google. Click that Sign In with Google button and pick the account you want to use. Just click Advanced, then select Go to LeadStal at the bottom. Hit Continue and Allow. Now, because LeadStal is a specialized power tool for cold email, Google might show an unverified screen. Don't worry, this is totally normal for high-performance API tools. And allow. Quick pro tip, never use your personal or main business email for cold outreach. Keep those safe. Instead, use burner accounts or head over to a marketplace like ACCS Market to grab aged Gmail accounts that are ready to go. Want to send 1,000 emails? Connect 20 accounts. One-time setup and LeadStal handles the rest.